Hi friends, hi everyone. Hi. Title is Little Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Little Red Riding Hood. One day, Little Red Riding Hood wanted to visit her grandmother. She asked permission. Mom, I want to go to Grandma's house. Mother, can I visit my grandma? Yes, you may. And then, don't talk to strangers. In the basket, there's some food. Little Red Riding Hood goes to the forest and then pick up some flowers for her grandmother. And then a wolf came by. And then the wolf say, hello. And then the wolf says, is that for your mother? The Little Red Riding Hood said, no, it's for my grandmother. This flowers for my grandma's. And the wolf go to grandma's house and knock the door. Knock, knock, knock. Grandma opened the door and then the grandma scared. And then the wolf trapped the grandmother with a tape. Grandma in the closet. The wolf pretend to be a grandma then, and then the Little Red Riding Hood come. She something weird. Grandmother, why your ears are so big? So I can hear you. Why your eyes very big? Because I can see you clearly. Come closer, my dear. And your teeth so big. So I can eat you. Oh no, you're not my grandmother. After that, the wolf chased Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood ran into the kitchen. And Little Red Riding Hood ran. Little Red Riding Hood smacked the wolf with the pen. Little Red Riding Hood said, help, 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 help. And then the woodcutter chopping the trees next to Grandma's house. And the woodcutter go to Grandma's house. He says, take this, you bad wolf. And the woodcutter says, take this, you bad wolf. Then the wolf died. The woodcutter saved the grandmother. Then the woodcutter just placed his grandmother in the bed. And then he gave him some water. Next time, don't talk to strangers. And the end. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye, friends. Bye. Thank you and bye-bye.